Today I'm going to be making this 2x2 by 1 box. Let's identify some features about it before I go ahead and build it. The size, it's a 2-inch by 2-inch by 1-inch deep box. I shelled it out. The shell has a 0.1-inch thickness wall. This box also has some fillets. I have an inside corner fillet here, an inside fillet corner here, another inside fillet corner, and another one here. So all the corners are on the inside have fillets on them. I also have outside fillets on each corner, one on this outside, 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 and outside. All right, let's get modeling this. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is come up to my Create button in the upper left here. Click on that, and I'm going to select Document. I'm going to name my document 2x2x1 underscore box. And I'm going to click Create. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch by selecting Sketch. I'm going to now click on the front plane here. That's going to put the sketch on my front plane. Now I'm going to actually turn off this Cartesian coordinate system. It just, for my likings, I just don't like it here once I have my first sketch placed. So I'm going to right click on the Cartesian coordinate system, and I'm going to select Hide All Planes. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the base of my box. I'm going to select the corner rectangle. I'm going to click and draw a rectangle. I'm not going to worry about the dimensions, and I'm going to click. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dimension my box. I'm going to select the D on my keyboard for dimension tool. I'm going to select this top line, one click, drag up, click again, and enter in the dimension I want. Remember, it's a 2x2 by 1 box, so I'm going to enter in 2. Hit enter. I'm now going to dimension my vertical line here. Click on the line, drag it out, drop it by clicking, entering 2. Hit enter. There, now I have my basic box shape, 2x2. Now I'm going to give it that depth of 1 inch. And I'm going to do that through an extrusion. So I'm done with my sketch. Click on the check mark. I'm now going to select the extrusion tool, which is right here, extrude. Click on that. Now I need to select the surface in which I want to extrude, which is going to be this area right here. Click once. It then extrudes it out. I'm then going to identify the depth of this. And I'm going to do that right here where it says depth, 1 inch. Well, by default, it's already set at 1 inch, so I don't need to change that. I'm now going to click check to finish my extrude. Here's my basic box. Now I'm going to add the shell feature to it. The shell feature is this icon right here. Click on this, shell. Now I'm going to select the surface in which I want to shell out, which would be this top surface. You can see it shells it out. It also makes a thickness around all sides of 0.1 inch. It's kind of like the default depth for shelling, at least for Onshape. I like 0.1, so I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to finish the shell. Now I have something that looks more like a box, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fillet the edges, give them a radius of 0.2. Nice little curve on my edges, my outside edges. So the the fillet is this icon right here. Once that opens up, I'm going to select the edges that I want to fillet. Sometimes it's nice to rotate your part and zoom right into those edges. There we go. Select this edge. There's a 0.2 inch radius. That's fine for me. I'm going to rotate my part to the other corner. I'm going to move my part over, rotate it, do this outside edge as well. Move my part back in the center and do this one. Okay, there's my outside fillets all done. Now I'm going to move into the inside and do the inside corners. Again, it's a good practice to zoom right in on your part so you can select those lines. That is fine. Rotate. That is perfect. Rotate around. This one. Rotate around. And this one. Okay, that looks good. I like that. I'm going to close my fillets by hitting the checkbox. Whoops, did I? Okay, just looked a little weird there for a second. And that's it. There, my box is complete. I've done it.